Nermal ga tiki India. Bia Kamal Knas News.
My colleague Taban and his other comrades asking me every time when am I appointing them in the SPLM political bureau so that they are considered as full members. I have not been answering them until the day before our departure to come to Lobanok here. Before I left, I told Ezekiel that Ezekiel, you did not do your homework in your house, because when General Taban declared the dissolution of the IO Jenah Batao, we were expecting that you would come and sit alone in your political bureau to approve the dissolution of your party and declare you are joining the SPLM. And you write to the chairman of the SPLM, who is myself, that we are now coming to join you. Then I would put it in front of my political bureau, and that would be the sequence of doing everything. But now you cannot tell me to just issue a decree appointing such a number of you from your members into the political bureau. The kalam ana gultu, wana gultulo kalam de, you talk about it among yourselves, and when I come back from Lobanok, you come and raise it in the next meeting.
SPLM leadership retreat in Lobanok County, chaired by President Salva Kiir, came up with a number of resolutions for the effective transformation of a SPLM capable of leading a prosperous nation. On his remarks during the closing session of the retreat, President Salva Kiir urged the cadres of the SPLM to put the interests and the needs of people of South Sudan first and not to take their support for granted. Chairman General Salva Kiir Mayardit called upon the SPLM cadres to facilitate the returns of the displaced persons to their areas of origin.
If I get 3 people, children of one father, one mother, who are committed to this cause of the people of South Sudan, I will appoint them. I'm calling for all of you to join me so that we call for the return of our people from Rufiji and from the displaced camps back to their home areas. If we don't do it as the SPLM, the ruling party, nobody will bring back our people.
President Salva Kiir stressed on appointing people into position, not on ethnicity but based on the level of capacity to do the job. Chairman General Salva Kiir Mayardit urged SPLM cadres not to take opposition parties for granted and continue to sensitize and provide maximum services to the people of South Sudan.
Opposition will have to fight nail and tooth to take power from you. And you are talking about having the majority support from the people. Don't take that support for granted. When you were winning with large margins, you did not have any opposition.